Did you know that you can make self-rising flour at home? Let me show you how. All you need is 3 ingredients. We have flour, baking powder, and salt. So get yourself out a mixing bowl. I'm going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of fine salt. I'm using sea salt, but table salt should work just fine. And I'm going to whisk it all together. And that's it, you have yourself homemade self-rising flour. So the next time you have a recipe that calls for self-rising flour, don't run to the grocery store. You probably already have these 3 ingredients right in your house, and it's easy to double this recipe or cut this recipe in half. So make sure you save this recipe and share it with someone who may find it useful. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. And I made this because I'm gonna go ahead and make some 2-ingredient bagels. And the recipe calls for self-rising flour, and I myself didn't wanna go buy a whole bag of it. So if you're interested in that recipe, go ahead, click here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.